Hey, hi friends. In today's video, we'll learn how to add cards and end screens to your YouTube videos. Now, you would have seen a lot of videos have, even my videos have cards and an end screen at the end, right? So if you go to any random video of mine, you can see this is the end screen for my video, right? And you can see the videos. I have tagged the playlist, I have tagged the subscribe button. So I have already done a video on how to create end screens using Canva, but we'll learn in today's video how to add cards and end screen to your videos.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
For this, go to your YouTube studio and any video which you want to edit and add cards or end screen to, right? You can just click on it. Now, this is the process where you do it post your video has been uploaded. The same process can be done when you are uploading a video, right? Go to editor. Now you can see end screen option, right? So if you click on end screen, you can see element. Now the way I have designed this, I have created a uh, template on Canva for an end screen, and now I have just added elements, right? So you can just add any element you want over here. And so maybe channel, so you can add any channel which is, so I already added subscribe button, but you can add any element to your template, and basis that you can do the end screen addition to your video. So this is the way you can add any template. So just to add some more info, the template I'm adding in my original video at the end, and over here this I have designed only from the end screen template on the YouTube studio, right? So this way you can add elements whatever you want and just populate your end screen. In a similar way, if you go to the editor again, right, you can see info cards. Now info cards of basically video playlist channel, and this channel of mine is not yet enabled for links wherein you can add any affiliate links or anything which you want to add. But to add any video, you can just basically select from your channel or from other channel, add a timestamp to it from over here, or just move along this line, and you can add directly a relevant video, and it will appear over here like this. The whole idea for this is you can add this wherein the interest of the viewer is dipping, so that he gets redirected to another video of your channel. So you can use this, or if it is relevant to your script whatever you are communicating in the video, you can add another relevant video over there. Playlist you can add anywhere, if it is relevant, if you are referring to something which the user can refer to understand in deep anything he wants to have playlist, you can add the same way the playlist. And if you want to refer any other channel, maybe of yours only or some other, you can add it, and the same way you can just add timestamp and search for channel, and you can add it in your video. So this is the same way it will happen even for new videos when you do add end screen and card. So a very simple example I will show. So I will add a random video and showcase for when you're uploading a video. So when you're uploading a video, I'm just selecting a random video. So you can see over here option to add an end screen. So you can import from video, that is any where you had already used in previous video, you can add it. So for my previous videos, I have used this template, so I already use this. But this is the way you can see, you can customize your template. So if I add this, right, so you can see there is, so I can add one more video and I can just maneuver it around, right? So I can place this anywhere I want. So what I've done is I've created a template in the background, and you can adjust this as per your wish and requirement, and it will appear in that format, right? So this is the way you can edit this template, and once it is used for one video, as I have shown you the option import from video, you can just select that video, and by default the template will appear over here, right? So my basic default template will appear. So this is the way you can add an end screen. And for cards, similar way what we showed in via the YouTube Studio. For existing videos, you can just add any video and add the timestamp to it. This is the way while uploading a video, and that was the way for once you are done uploading the video, how to add cards and end screens. I hope this video is useful. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.